So you are welcome to the second aspect of our content topic practical. So last time we have looked at content topics discovery and the tools you can make use of for your content topics discovery. So now we want to see, how do you analyze the topics you have been able to discover from the last section? So how do you analyze these topics? So we are going to be looking at three major tools that you can use. So we'll be using Keyword Explorers. We'll be making use of Ubbersuggest Keyword Explorer. Then we'll also be making use of Headline Studio by CoSchedule. So let's go deep into it now. We won't be looking at Google Keyword Explorer now because we are still going to learn more about this when we get to search engine optimization. Even for the H-Educate, we still use it at the search engine optimization section. But for now, let's just go and see these ones, the H-Educate, the Ubbersuggest, and the Headline CoSchedule. So we are going to start with Headline Studio. So you go to headlines.com.coschedule.com, headlines.coschedule.com, headlines.coschedule.com. So that's the website, headlines.coschedule.com. So as you can see it here, and you can just search for Headline Studio on Google. It will still take you to the same place, Headline Studio. So now when you get to the Headline Studio, maybe I should do that for you. Headline Studio. Just make a search for Headline Studio. So it will still direct you to the same place. This is Headline Studio from CoSchedule. So you will still be directed to the same place. So when you log in, you will get into this dashboard. This is what you will have. You can see I have logged in already, and this is my own account. I'm using the free version. So how do you use this tool to analyze your topics? So these are the previous headlines that I have analyzed. So you can see the score 87. This one is 87. So you want to get something that is not less than 80 over 100. So your score should not be less than 100. Sorry, it should not be less than 80. So 80 is still better. So I started from 78, and from 78 I was able to revise it to 87. So how do you get this kind of scores? How do you arrive at this kind of scores? So you can see this started from 83, then to 85, things like that. So now how do you achieve that? So let's just copy an headline here. So don't forget, this is a content generator tool. This is what we use to generate our content topic, one of the two. So you have, why do people think Facebook marketing is a good idea? So that is the topic. So I can just copy it, and I want to analyze it now. Why do people think Facebook marketing is a good idea? I've pasted it here. So I will click on Analyze. So don't worry about this. Leave this guy alone. Continue using the free one. Okay, so currently that's the score for the headline is 76, and I said you want to try and get something that is close to 80. So for us to be able to get something close to 80, you want to go down and check. Let's check some of the suggestions we have here and some things we can do to make this score to be better. So let's look at the word balance. So we have, why do people think Facebook marketing is a good idea? So you have 40% for common word, which is still better. You have 30% of a common word. You have 0% of emotional words. So you want to increase your emotional words. So you can see, increase the number of emotional words in your headline to improve your score. Great headlines usually consist of 10 to 15 emotional words. So you can use the emotional word bank to get more emotional words. But since this is a freemium, a free version, freemium, you can see you have to upgrade to get their emotional word bank. But that's not a problem, that's not a challenge. You can just go to Google and search for emotional words. Emotional words in copywriting. So that's the keyword. Emotional words. You can see emotional words for headlines. So you can see today, discover, huge, everything you need, never, save, proving, instant, fast, something like that. So you can see different kind of emotional words that you can make use of. So I can add, why do people think Facebook marketing is a good idea? So I can change this to discover why people think Facebook marketing is a good idea. I can say discover 5 reasons why people think Facebook marketing is a good idea. So let's reanalyze it. Let's see our score. So now you can see our score is now 89. That's a good one, 89. So I said just get something above 80 and you are good to go. Now you might begin to wonder, what did we do that makes it to jumped from 76 to 89? It's very simple. I included an emotional word, discover. If you go to my emotional word bank here, you can see discover as part of the sample of emotional words. Then I included numbers. People love numbers because people doesn't have time to read too much online. So they want list posts. People like list posts a lot. So let's scroll down. Let's see some things we did special. So you can see their tool is actually not recognizing discover as an emotional word, but we have done something better. At least we have added list. So that time when we are scrolling down, we did not come down to check the other ones, but it has makes it a better headline. You can see the list. You wrote a list headline. So your headline creates curiosity. So curiosity is very good and it keeps your post by keeping the content of your post ambiguous and ensuring it will be easily skimmable. You can see that it can easily be skimmed. People can easily skim through your post, which is very good. So this is the reading grade level. You want your reading, your way of writing to be easy for people to understand. So if you have something beyond this yellow level, that means it will be difficult for low level people that doesn't understand English too much to be able to understand it. So you want to keep it between 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything above 8 is too much. Then positive, you can see good. I use positive words. Clarity is very clear and concise. Skimmability, people can skim it. And you can see your keyword or topic is buried in your headline, making it difficult for reader to skim. Improve your score by moving your keyword or topic to the first or 3 last word. So my keyword is actually Facebook marketing. So, and see where you have it inside buried in the headline. So if I want to improve on this 89 now, I can do what? I can find a way to move this Facebook marketing to either the last 3 words or the first 3 words. So I can say discover 5 reasons why people think it is a good idea to do Facebook marketing. That's why we make the Facebook marketing to be at the what? At the last edge. So discover 5 reasons why people think it is a good idea to do or to run Facebook ads or something like that, to engage in Facebook marketing. So that's just it. To save my time, I will not be doing more trial and trial. So you have already seen it now. You've seen how we analyze the topic and we have been able to get a better score. So give it a trial and let's see what you can get. So if you can get 89 for headline score, forget it, your SEO score will also be higher. That's it. Even though it's locked here because you need a premium version to get it, but don't worry about that. If you can get 89 for the headline score, your SEO score can never be less than 80. So let's leave that. So that's about Headline Studio. Very simple, straightforward. So now let's see how can you analyze your keyword in respect to what people are searching and in respect to cost per click, in respect to search engine result pages. So that is where we'll be doing some SEO works now, search engine optimization activities. So now let's start from this H-Suppertools.com. So H-Suppertools.com is a free SEO and digital marketing tools that you can make use of. And let's just go straight to what we are here for. I won't be going through the whole. It's a very great tool. You can use it for a lot of things. You can see free AI content. So they also have their own content generator also that you can make use of. They have their paragraphs translator. They have their outline generator to generate an outline for your post. They also have that. So you can use it. You can use it for free YouTube tools. If you are a YouTuber, you can use it to generate YouTube title, YouTube keyword. You can use it to analyze your YouTube privacy generator. A lot. So you can even use it to rewrite an article. You can see many things. But now we are here for keyword. So let's go straight to the keyword research tool. So let's start with keyword research tool. I've done that. I've clicked on it. So now let's enter our keyword. Our keyword is Facebook marketing, as you know. So let me just copy it from here. So the keyword here is Facebook marketing. Don't forget. And I'll paste it. I'm not a robot. And I will search. So you just have to scroll down. You can see the monthly search volume. This one is showing 0. The paid competition is low. This looks almost unbelievable. Which country? Okay, that's not a challenge. Now, Facebook marketing. Now, what this determines is, please pay attention here now. This is your keyword. The major keyword is Facebook marketing. These are the long tail keyword. When we get to search engine optimization, you will understand better what we meant by long tail keyword. So these are keywords that are more of phrases than being just 2 or 3 words. So when you have more than 4 words in a keyword, then that's a long tail keyword. So you can look at the monthly volume, the paid competition, and the CPC. Now, for you to get a better keyword, for you to be able to rank easily on search engine result pages, and for your post to be easily discovered, you want to go for keywords that has an averagely high monthly volume, but at the same time, the competition is medium or low. If you can go for a low competition or a medium competition, it's very good. But when you are going for a high competitive keyword, it will be difficult for you to rank that test on search engine result pages. So for now, let's say I'm writing on Facebook marketing. If I go for something like Facebook marketing for beginners, this is 390 average. The volume is still very low. I want to go for something that is at least 1,000. So Facebook marketing costs 2,900 monthly search volume and is medium in competition, so which is good. So I can write a content relating to Facebook marketing course, and I can believe that my content will be easily discovered and the competition is still averagely okay. Now, so this is your keyword research tool. It helps you to be able to understand how keywords are being searched for, just like we did during the discovery, and for you to know if you invest your time in creating content relating to that keyword, people will see your content. Good. Now, let's see another thing you can do, another way you can analyze your keyword by making use of Ubbersuggest. So this is for H-Suppertools. You can go to Ubbersuggest and enter the same keyword we have been entering, Facebook marketing, and click on search. The Facebook marketing keyword research results on Ubbersuggest. So now we can see the search volume, 8,100. You can see the SEO difficulty, that is 82. And the higher the number, the more the competition. So that means if you just go for Facebook marketing as a keyword, this is a highly competitive keyword. So you can see the SEO difficulty 82. So you want a difficulty that is not too high as that. So that's why it is highly recommended that you go for a long tail keyword that is at least more than 3 or 4 words. You will understand this better when we get to search engine optimization. So now let's go straight to our keyword ideas that we get from that. So you can see Facebook Marketplace buy and sell. The volume is 1,000 and the cost per click is $2.39. This is for people who want to run ads on Google. So you need to check the CPC for each of your keywords so you can know if you will be spending more or less for any click. So you will understand this better when we get to the Google ad cost. So now you can see the related keyword ideas based on what we search for. But now let's go straight to some content ideas as related to that Facebook marketing. So you can see 16 hidden Facebook marketing tools that will increase your something like that. So this is an idea. People have written about this. Over 100 Facebook marketing ideas for realtors. How to use Facebook for business, 25 Facebook marketing, 100 Facebook marketing tips and ideas for insurance agents, free secret Facebook marketing. So this is still helping you to generate content ideas. So then you can click on view or content ideas to see more of these ideas. And you can see how they are performing on Facebook, on Pinterest. And what really matters to you in analysis is to get their volume. So the higher the volume, the number of searches this particular keyword has during a month. So the higher the volume, if you can get keywords that are above close to 1,000, then is a good keyword to target in your writing, to include in your topic, in your title. So with the title we are considering, the title is why do people think Facebook marketing is a good idea? So the major keyword here is all about Facebook marketing. So when we write like this, it means people must search for the word Facebook marketing before they can see this content. So which makes it a highly competitive keyword, a highly competitive topic. So, but because when we analyze it using the code schedule, you can see what we get here. Discover 5 reasons why people think Facebook marketing is a good idea. So the topic has made it to a good extent a long tail keyword because we've added think to it. And when we scroll down, you can see what was seen as the topic here is what, as a keyword here is what, think Facebook marketing, think Facebook marketing. So that's 3 words and it's still very high, it's still competitive. You want to get up to 4 keywords, up to 4 words for your content not to be too competitive. And now you can get related keywords. You can see strategies for Facebook marketing, Facebook. You can see questions related to Facebook keywords. You can see prepositions, just like what we get under the answer the public. So that is what you get. Just ensure you look at the volume. You want a good volume. So that is what Ubbersuggest and the SEO tools by H-Suppertools, the keyword research tool, does for you with relating to your content, your topic analysis. Then your code schedule will help you to be able to score your topic for people's readability and also for ranking on search engine, and also to know if it will be clickable, if it will encourage more readers. So that's the summary of how to analyze your topic. You can see how we have been able to make this topic that we initially have. Why do people think Facebook marketing is a good idea? How we have been able to analyze it and find a better way to write it to have a better score. And at the same time, we have been able to see if that topic is having good volume or not. So we can say something like think Facebook marketing and do a search. You can see the search volume for this is 0. The difficulty is 12, easy. Because of what? We have added think. So that has made it very low. So when most people search, they search for the word Facebook marketing, not necessarily trying to search for think Facebook marketing together. You get it? So that's why you want to include your keyword inside your topic. So whether they search for think Facebook marketing, whether they search for Facebook, whether they search for marketing, whether they search for think Facebook marketing, they are still going to discover your content. So it has a high search volume. It's a good one. You want to write something that has a good search volume. Although when you are running ads or when you put all your content relating to these two keywords alone, you might find it difficult to rank on search engine. But when you run ads for it, you have a very good, you can easily get cheaper ad for this because the paid difficulty is 82. But to rank organically, it is very difficult. So those are the things you make use of. So we can do something like Facebook marketing or strategy for Facebook marketing. This is up to 4 now. So this is a better keyword that I think by the time you look at the keyword, okay, this is strategy for Facebook marketing. Good. You can see the search volume 720. You can see the difficulty 21. The paid difficulty still average. Cost per click $9. Unlike that other one which is $11. So this is a very good keyword that you can write what. So you can just pick this keyword, strategy for Facebook marketing. You copy it. Instead of going for Facebook marketing alone as your keyword, you copy this strategy for Facebook marketing now. You come to, so if I were you, I will firstly analyze my keyword before I even put it on the content generator. Then from there, I will now take it to code schedule to analyze it after I've been able to generate a content for it. You get it? So let's put this here and click generate idea. So how Twitter can teach you about strategy for Facebook marketing. In thing where strategy for Facebook marketing can make you rich or something like that. How the government shutdown affect strategy for Facebook marketing. So this look closer to it. Strategy for Facebook marketing by the numbers or something like that. How strategy for Facebook marketing made me a better person. And things Spock will say about strategy for Facebook. It did what? 13 secrets about strategy for Facebook marketing. This is a good one. So I will just copy it. And that's just how to go about your topics. then come to your code schedule, paste it, reanalyze it. So now you are seeing the process. So when we have changed the topic. Okay, so you can see we have 75 here. So we can make it better by looking at what they said here. So this time around we have emotional word 10%, but no power words. Word count is 10. We want to increase. You see headlines with around 12 words, 10 to NIS. So we want to increase that word count. So this one also we want to get up to 70 characters. List, which is good. This is 8. So we want to reduce it if it's possible. Neutral. So we want to make it positive. So you can still see. So you can see that we can actually, this one, we have good schemability for here. So let's see how we can improve this. Let's start with, let's make it a positive statement and let's increase the word count. Let's see how that will affect it. So it did what? 13 secrets about strategy for Facebook marketing. Good strategy. 13 secrets about good strategy for Facebook marketing. For Facebook marketing. You can say in 2022. Okay, so let's reanalyze this. So now we have 82. Can you see that? So we've been able to increase it to 82 just by adding good, which is a positive word, and putting some numbers. You can see 13. So, which is okay, 74. So I might later have to remove, consider good, which is positive. So I want to remove that 2022. It makes it too long. And certain secret about good strategy for your Facebook marketing. Good. Can you see this now? We have 89 just because I have reduced that. I have emotional words, I have common words, I have uncommon words, I have power words now. You can see the count is now okay. 12, 70, 71, not too bad. 8 great is a least positive, schemability, beautiful. So now I have 89 and that's it. Now I can go and create my content. So you can see the process. You start from analyzing your keyword with your keyword tools like H-Suppertools or Ubbersuggest. You get a good search volume. This is 720, beautiful, close to 1000. The difficulty is easy and the pay difficulty is not too high. The cost per click is still less than $10. And from there you move to your title generator. You get something you like, then you go to code schedule. You put it, you reanalyze it to get something above 80 or something still beautiful, more than 80. From 75 we move to 82, from 82 we move to 89, and you can see how I did that, and that's all. Then now you have a topic you can write on. 13 secrets about good strategy for your Facebook marketing. Awesome. So now that's everything about analyzing your keyword. So we move on to the next aspect of our practical class. Thank you. Have a great time.